Holy mother of tech. It's just the start of a brand new year and my first video of this year, guys, and we are already kicking it off with a bang. See, on my channel you guys might have seen like a variety of RTX 30 series cards from different brands in different models, but what I'll be showing you in today's video is something completely different, like next level stuff, guys. I would call it like a very rare, not very rare also, like ultra rare product, because it's not that easy to get your hands on it. This is a Founders Edition RTX 3080. See guys, even if you have cash and you want to buy the Founders Edition 30 series cards, it's very difficult. I would say impossible, because they're not available anywhere. The only way is you'll have to either import it from US or some other country, guys. So what I've done is I've just asked Nvidia like, hey, can you please send me out a Founders Edition RTX 3080, because I'll be using that for my next special build. And you know, these guys have actually sent it. So they've shipped it from their US headquarters and it has finally arrived over here, guys. So the Founders Edition 3080 comes in this sort of beautiful box packaging, and let me tell you, Founders Edition is a beautiful card, guys. It's got that OG dual tech axial flow through thermal design, guys, which I was like really eager to check out since the launch event, and I finally got the chance to, you know, get my hands on it now. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. So here's our brand new RTX 3080 Founders Edition graphic card. Oh boy, you guys have no idea how long I've waited to get my hands on this product, and it has finally arrived in the house. Perfect way to start off my new year. It's a brand new piece, guys, and comes in this sort of box packaging. You've got the Nvidia branding here, says GeForce RTX 3080 on the front, and has a very simple and class packaging with just grey stripes on a black box. There is nothing much written on it, and going to the backside, looks like we've got some details regarding the product, like the specs and the usual stuff. Since we already know all of that, without wasting any more time, let's directly get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this seal on the box. There we go. So as soon as you open the box, we've got our brand new RTX 3080 Founders Edition at the top. Holy smokes, now that is what I'm talking about. This is the first time I'm actually seeing the 30 series Founders Edition in person, and I have to say, wow, what a beautiful looking piece of tech. I've seen like a bunch of different aftermarket cards, but this is completely something else. We'll just come back to the GPU in a moment. First, let me show you what else we got in the package. There's an accessory box over here, which includes some paperwork. Make sure to read them. And a special power supply adapter cable that converts two 8-pin cables to one 12-pin connector. It's a bit short in length, would have preferred a bit longer cable for neat cable management. That's it, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's have a closer look at the GPU. So guys, here's how the Founders Edition 3080 looks like. It's a 2nd gen RTX card based on the Ampere architecture and features the all new dual axial flow through thermal design. It's got one fan on the right over here, and the second rear fan is on the other side. Sick design, right? These are 9-blade high quality Axialtech fans, and if you ask about the build quality is top notch. Has a unibody construction made of metal, and most of the area on the GPU has an exposed aluminum fin stack kind of design for minimum air resistance and improved cooling performance. Going to the side, it says GeForce RTX, which is white LED backlit, I believe, and this massive block of GPU easily weighs around like 1.3 to 1.4 kgs. And have a look at this beauty from the other side. Holy moly, check out all these aluminum fin stacks over here. I'm telling you now, the in-hand experience of this card is completely different than seeing this thing in pictures. Nvidia says that this new design significantly improves the cooling efficiency over their previous gen, and at the same time lowering the noise levels. And did I mention one more interesting thing about the fans? The rear and the front fans spin in opposite direction, meaning the front fan spins in counterclockwise while the rear fan spins in clockwise. I can't wait to put this thing in my PC and see how it performs. As you might already know, the new 30 series feature a short PCB design with high density layout, and here's that PCI Gen 4 connector. Wait a second, I haven't shown you the power connector also, right? The RTX 3080 FE features 18 power supply phases for improved efficiency and offers an all-new 12-pin power connector. And to be honest, this is the first time I'm also seeing it, because the aftermarket cards did not have this. They use the regular 8-pin connectors only. Now let me show you all the I/O connectivity ports on it. It's got 3 DisplayPort 1.4s and 1 HDMI 2.1. Well, that's it. That was our complete overview on the design and the build quality. Now what I'll do is I'll give you guys a closer look, talk about the specs, and even put it side by side with the previous Gen Founders Edition card. The 3080 is a second gen RTX card based on Ampere architecture and features 8704 CUDA cores. It's got a base clock frequency of 1.44 GHz and a boost clock frequency of 1.71 GHz. Talking about the memory, 3080 features 10 gigs of GDDR6X ultra-fast memory for consistent 4K 60fps gaming. To give you all a brief idea in terms of performance, the 3080 is almost 69% faster than the 2080, 56% faster than the 2080 Super, and 34% faster than the 2080 Ti in 4K gaming. Now that is what I call a huge leap. Oh boy, I think I'm in love with this card. See, if you ask about the performance, benchmarks and all that stuff, see, RTX 3080 is not something new, right? We've already covered like plenty of videos on the other RTX 3080 models on my channel. We've seen the benchmarks, gameplays, and I've also built a lot of gaming PCs as well using the 3080. The only thing is this is the Founders Edition, you know, like a reference edition card, and I wanted to get my hands on it. That is one reason that I bought it. And the second reason is, if you guys remember, a couple of weeks ago, I told that I'll be building a special white themed gaming PC setup, you know, a complete white themed PC setup. I'll be using this 3080 Founders Edition in that PC, guys, and let me tell you, that will be one heck of a beautiful looking PC. And yeah, that video will also be coming up very soon, guys. I think I've got most of the parts to start with that video. So yeah, I hope you all stay tuned and eagerly wait for that video. I'll be posting it very soon. So that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video and got to check out the Founders Edition variant of 3080. Let me know what do you think about the card in the comment section down below. And make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.